Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Joey, and today I'm be reacting to CHUU. This is her official debut. I'm gonna be reacting to her pre-release song, which is Underwater, and then Howl, which is her title track, I'm assuming. CHUU, she's been through a lot, okay? I mean, with all that, company stuff, I don't really want to get into that. I mean, she's hanging in there, I saw some clips from her showcase, and I saw her, so, like, the members were there. She was like getting teary and everything. So yeah, I mean, she went through a lot. I kind of got into Luna like kind of late. So I'm not sure if she had any other songs besides like Heart Attack, because that's the only song that I know of hers. I'm not sure if she had any other like solo songs from what she's been through. I feel like it's gonna be somewhat different side of her, I guess, maybe. But we'll see. Don't really know what to expect. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna start out with Underwater. So yeah, let's just get into it. Oh, we got some bubblage in the background. Oh, for a second, it looked like she was wearing the big red boots. I was like, nah. No, this is like a whole ass movie, whole ass K-drama. ASMR. Gotta turn this up. Oh, that's kind of loud. Oh, you know what? When there's a guitar, it's gonna be some of the sad songs. Bro, she looks beautiful. What the heck? At the beach though? Huh? Bro, why is this making me sad, dog? What? Bro, I didn't know there was this side of CHUU. I always seemed like the cute side of CHUU. Dude, this. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's just a swimsuit. Look at that. The light going through the water. Oh. Ooh, bro, this this is so good, and it's not even a title. It's bro, why? Why is that so sad? Oh my gosh, what? Wow. Okay, CHUU. Okay, CHUU. Like I said, she's been through a lot, so I feel like this is what she's putting into a song, maybe. Again, like I, used to just seeing her as a cute and like happy, uplifting person. I mean, obviously she still probably is, but like I feel like she's channeling up all this emotion, put it into like a song. So maybe her next song, Howl, is gonna be somewhat probably similar to it. Maybe it's gonna be totally switch up, maybe go to like a cute song, but who knows? I feel like it's gonna be somewhat like in the same like category of like song, I guess. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. I did really enjoy this this song of hers. I don't know. It's very what do you say? Calming, I guess. And again, like it's I don't know. For some reason, it just made me kind of sad, But enough of that. I gotta hear her other song, Howl. So yeah, let's just get into that real quick. Seems kind of dark already. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be cute or not. Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, what is this instrumental? Oh my goodness, girl waking up from the dead. What? Oh my goodness. Oh, you big dog, calm down. Oh no. Is that dog pulling that? Pulling you? There's no subtitles, so I don't know what she's saying. Ooh. Ooh, it's instrumental though. What is that? Did that like big ass monster have a kid or something and she's taking care of it? No, I don't know. That's her. I don't know. Maybe not. Oh. Okay, let me see. Maybe in the beginning, she was feeling sad, but then that monster came and like it's cheering her up. It was like spreading happiness or something. That's what I'm getting at. Moon? Oh my goodness. That's a big dog. Okay, very interesting. That I wasn't really expecting that intro at all. I kind of like that intro. Like, no lie, that was very interesting to say the least. But this whole song is just. I feel like it's just so emotional. You know, I feel like based off the the MV and everything, because there's no subtitles. I couldn't know what she was saying, so it feels kind of like emotional a bit. I mean, I feel like I kind of understood the MV a bit and what was happening. I think I'm not sure. I was putting two together, but that monster was like her happiness, and she was like really sad. That huge monster was her fans or something. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next video.